Okay, let's talk about the ESP, EIP32 and temperature and humidity controller. This one has no cable. This is already wired. Find it out. Then we find an ESP32. Take a look. It could be an ESP866, possibly ESP3223. This is written in ESP32. Then we swipe it into our home system. Okay, we installed the ESPHome plugin last time. Above the home system. This time we will use ESP32 plus our DH11 or 12 thermostat to access sensing devices in our smart home. First, click on the extension on the right. Find the document here. We click to open and we search for DHT. It will appear here. This document describes a thermometer. This is its code. Let's take a look at Win16. Here's the code. Let's take a look after reading it. Click on the new device here. Click Next. We return. Click to its website to set it up. Because we have put our ESP32. Connect to our device. Click to connect it. A serial port will be detected here. Be sure to put the USB first. Plug this port of 32 in. After the USB connection, we will pre-process it first. You need to wait 2 minutes. At this moment, he is swiping into his library. After the refresh is successful, we click Close. And we'll be reminded of this. And this version, we click to connect to Wi-Fi. This one supports 2, 4G. We click this one. This is the Wi-Fi we are currently connected to. Then enter the password. Click to connect. Then, after the connection is successful, we click Close. After closing, we go to our home system. Click on the device. You can see it on our device just now. We click Add. Click Submit. Choose a good route. It has been added here, but we haven't set up for it. Our Win10 host code. Find our home system. This is what we just connected. Then you need to edit its configuration. Again, the network name. I remember it wasn't like this before. We click. Okay, this time counting offline. Let's click stop first. Click to close. Take a look at the introduction here. We added our configuration, that is, to this document just now. Copy it. For example, we put here. Remember, this is our data interface. We changed the GPIO. And let's see how much his MDV is. I actually picked up 15 on the board. This is GPL 15. There is no red line here. And then this is the name of the humidifier. This is the reporting interval. If there is a gap, we will change it to report once every 3 seconds and 3 seconds. We click save. Then save. We click set. Take a look at the equipment. Find this ESPHome. Find here. This sensor still doesn't show up here. Let me click ESPHome again. Click here to install. Install, and we will download it as fresh into the system. It can also be updated wirelessly. We plug it back into the system. Compile the firmware here first. It takes 3 to half an hour to edit the firmware. So far, this thing's failed. But I don't know much about this failure. Try again. See if he has a mutated cache here. A little faster than last time. This goes directly to the bin stage. He warns that there is a problem with this interface. Should be replaced with something else. But let's keep it for now. Cough, cough. You can see now it has completed the second firmware refresh. Then let's choose the download. We choose the build. Allow download. After successful seal back to this page. Select the firmware we just downloaded. Install. It will take a while here. After the configuration is successfully linked, select Turn Off here. Then refresh it. See if it's online. Currently displayed here online. Let's take a look at the log. Start position here. This is a bunch of hints. This is the data we have so far. Okay, no problem here. Let me go back to the settings. Check the equipment. Take a look at this device. So here's two more pieces of data. And we click here. You can see the humidity has been displayed by default here. It's humidity. We updated to humidity. This is humidity. It's 56. Temperature is this one. We need to change the unit for this temperature. We change the unit to this degrees Celsius. Update here and it becomes 20 degrees. And that's where I'm at. So that's it for today. This is ESP32 and the first temperature and humidity. The sensor has been set. So I'm just going to put it near the computer. Because I don't have 3D printing, so I don't have a more suitable box. But I didn't want him exposed. Then it doesn't look good. There's also some danger of water and electricity. This is a cheap little box I bought online. It's very cheap. About 3.2 bucks. Then through this Type-C port, I power it up. Put it in here after power off. Before we close the box. Make sure this interface is not looped. Then we plug it into this USB charging port. Make sure both lights are off. The best thing is to go to the computer to check it. Is it working? Then I'll simply put it over here. Cover it up. Okay, it's covered here. Because there are holes. There are holes. In theory, its temperature is this equilibrium temperature. As for its own, we ignore it here. And I'm going to put it right here. So if the graphics card smokes or catches fire, or it burns here, its temperature will be abnormal. Then I can listen in. Or it's too hot. I can also monitor. Just put the thermometer on my computer. You can see that this data is still being refreshed in 3, so I need to change to a more visual dashboard now. Let's revamp the homepage. Click here. Click this. We switch to Con's dashboard. After the dashboard of Con, check it out. It should be here according to our thermometer. So for example, here we have our temperature. If there are no special, let's just join here. Well, click done. There is one more here. Then we add another humidity. There's more humidity. Click save as well. Click finish. Here it is, do it in the form of this diagram. But I'd also like to look at a graph of history. You need to see that it has a visualization. Let's look at history. Like this. What time to what? Here we go. Click this. But this is not the effect I want. Let's change it. but not in this form. Let's take a look at our sensor. Sensors detect our temperature and humidity. Okay, that's what you want. We will keep it. Find the same component just now. Also it, but we're going to choose our sensor here. Click Save. That is to say, I am at this point in time just hooked it up. And then at this point in time, it's displaying the rectangular hour and we'll see a graph of wavy lines. That way I know when my room temperature is. You can see the data is newer and weird. Let's adjust it. Let's edit it. Make it once a second. Then this name is displayed as we show it as monitoring PC. Click Save. Click Update. Click on Remote Update. Because it involves him uploading data changing time interval. Let's see how long this configuration will last. It's gray until it's done. Okay, here is the compilation success. Then update remotely. And here it starts showing his log. And it is indeed a second pass. We click off. Click the turn off. Back to home. Here is his temperature. Is it like just now? Refreshing. It still flashes. Let's take a look at this data. Right? This could be some other problem. Sometimes the sensor data is not available, but it doesn't matter. At least this is what we have data on. Okay, that's it for today's video.